everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into DJI Go app on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have downloaded DJI Go app on your mobile device. If not, simply go visit your Play Store or your App Store and type in DJI Go in the search box and search. From the search results, select this one right here and download it onto your device. DJI Go 4 is an essential yet complex app for drone pilots flying DJI's prosumer drones. You can connect your mobile or tablet with your DJI equipment and start filming. Now start by tapping open the application from your app drawer and allow DJI Go 4 to access this device's location. Allow access to photos, medias, and files on your device. Wait for a few seconds and agree to the use and privacy agreement by tapping on I agree at the bottom right. Now tap on Join DJI Product Improvement Project, and from the sign up and sign in page you can tap on your selection. If you don't have an account yet, start by tapping on the sign up button at the bottom left. If you already have an account, then simply tap on the sign in button. Now in the first text field, input a phone number or an email address. Move on to the next field and enter your password for your account. Make sure to enter the correct password you created during the sign-up process, and if you want to double-check your password before moving on, tap on the eye icon to reveal your password at the right corner. Now, in case you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link right below the password box and follow the instructions. After you're done entering your credentials, simply tap on the sign-in button and you'll be logged into DJI Go application on your mobile device. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.